Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping Windows 10 from sleeping automatically. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Start menu and then click on the Settings button. In Settings, click on System. Now click on Power and Sleep from the left sidebar. Displayed here are the options for putting your PC to sleep automatically. You can now choose how long after no use should the screen be turned off and how long until it should sleep. You can select Never for these options or choose a different time frame. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.